Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keyword research tools platform, which is Ubersuggest and SpyFu. So to get started, Ubersuggest in 2025 remained a favorite for beginner and small business looking for a simple, actionable keyword insight. It provides search volume, keywords difficulty, content ideas, and basic site audit in a clean interface. It's affordable, easy to use, and great for quick building keywords list and spotting content opportunity without getting overwhelmed by data. SpyFu, on the other hand, is built for deep competitive intelligence. It not only gives you a keyword metric, but also show which keywords your competitors rank for, which one they are in, which they buy in PPC, and how their strategy changes over time. It takes a powerful choice for marketers who want to uncover gap, steal competitors' opportunity, and plan both organic and paid campaign. In conclusion, pick Ubersuggest if you need a straightforward, budget-friendly keyword research tools, but go with SpyFu if your focus is competitive analysis and finding high-volume keyword your rival are already leveraging on. And that's it.